Alright, hey guys. We're going thrift shopping today. I'm really excited. It's been a long time since I've been... Actually, there's a spider on my window. That's fine. Oh my god. It's been a long time since I've been properly thrift shopping, so I'm really excited. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get to the first thrift store. I thought I would hit two birds with one stone and go to two different stores. One's actually a thrift store, the other one was just a Tuesday morning, but I went to the Purple Cow and you know, I do not like thrifting in Baton Rouge. Like, people have like a lot of like nice things, but like everything is just like really old, and like, you know, maybe if I was like in high school and I was going through my like disgustingly hipster phase again, it would work, but it doesn't work for me anymore. So now I think I want to go to this other store called the blah blah blah, the Time Warp Boutique. I've heard it's kind of expensive though, so I don't know if I like really want to go to it. Don't know if I want to get lunch because I'm kind of hungry and it's 1 in the afternoon. I'm gonna go get a smoothie and then we're gonna go to Time Warp Boutique. Who knows if I'll even get anything today. I'm gonna turn my camera off before people come back to their cars and start staring at me. Oh, yep, I just got stared at. That's fine, whatever. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get to Time Warp. Once again, that was disappointing. I love the store. It was a great store. They have all of their clothes are organized by the different eras they're from, which is really cool. Like, it's a really cool store. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm a college student and I have absolutely no money. There was like really nothing like under $30 in there. I appreciate the store. I just don't appreciate how much it costs to want to be in the store. So I'm gonna hit one more store before I call it a day. But first, I really need some coffee. All right, there's one. That's a 7-minute drive. Let's go get some coffee. I'm excited. All right. I got my coffees, went to CC's. I feel good about myself. Didn't go to the last thrift store because I pulled into the parking lot and it didn't look that great. So I just decided to go home. Yeah, maybe I'll vlog my day tomorrow. I just made my first stop of the day. We're back in the car again today, sorry guys. Just had lunch with my sister-in-law, my niece and nephew, her siblings. It was great. I had a vegan BLT. I had a vegan BLT. It was delicious. It was made with like coconut bacon, which I didn't know was a thing, but it was great. Went to the Big Squeezy as per usual and got some chocolate almond milk. I'm really excited. I've never had it before, so it's made with almonds, honey, which isn't necessarily vegan, but I guess that's subjective, vanilla, cacao, and salt, pink salt. Oh my god, it smells so good. I hate everyone who's ever told me that this is terrible because this is delicious. I'm living for it right now. Some people walking behind my car. I'm not used to vlogging because I'm afraid somebody's gonna walk next to my car and see me talking to myself into a camera and they're gonna be like, what the heck is wrong with you? Things on my to-do list today. I need to go to the store. I need to do laundry. I gotta pack. I leave tomorrow morning, probably at like 4 a.m. and I still haven't done my laundry. I'm supposed to go to what's wrong with me? I have an hour and a half until my appointment. So what's a girl gonna do? She either gonna go shopping or she gonna go to the grocery store. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'm kind of just sitting in the parking lot till I make up my mind. I still haven't packed and I leave for Chicago at 5 a.m. and it is currently 7:23 at night. So, you know, I thought I would pack with you guys. I've bought a lot of new things in the last couple of weeks and I thought, you know, like this is a great opportunity to share them with all of you while I'm packing. So yeah, That's what we're gonna do. All right, I got my bag, my overnight bag that I got from Target. I love it. It's olive green, one of my favorite colors. There's that. All right, and then the first tip for packing when you're going on a 3-day trip. 3 days. I'm gonna be gone for 3 days. First tip, grab your entire closet. You need everything. Don't skimp on anything. You need everything. This is everything. There we go. I'm bringing a lot of different options. I know I'm only gonna be gone for 3 days, but who cares? You need options. Some jeans. I have a lot of jeans, but I only wear like a few specific ones because there's only like a few specific ones that I really like, that like really flatter me. And I know what you're gonna say, Sydney, why do you have so many jeans if you only wear a couple pairs of them? Well, because I can. Shorts, you always need a pair of shorts. It's August. I don't like to wear shorts, but I need to because it's hot. I usually wear leggings or jeans. I just bought these. These are from Old Navy, and like I love Old Navy jeans because they're the best. But they got holes in the knees. I like distressed jeans. So there we go. And then tip number 2, when you're packing, you want to roll your clothes. Keeps them from wrinkling and it saves space so you can fit more in there. I got my jeans all rolled up. I'm excited. We're making our way through the day. You know what? Whenever you go out of town, you want to bring a cute outfit. Tip number 3, if you're keeping track. So I have this, I've never talked about this on here, and I'm really excited because I've never talked about it anywhere. Back in March, I want to say, I went to ASOS and I got this matching crop top with tassels with shorts, and I'm really excited about it because I love it. I love the gingham pattern. It's so cute. So that's gonna be one of my cute outfits that I bring. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know who I'm gonna see. Who knows? Also another gingham print shirt. You guys have seen this if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, at dressedbysydney. You've seen this shirt. It's gingham pattern with my bell sleeves. I love it. I don't know how to fold it. Okay, there's that. That's a cute top. All right, and now another at dressedbysydney top. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram at dressedbysydney. I'm gonna plug myself as much as I can throughout this whole video. I have this top, which I've recently featured on my Instagram. I just bring, whenever I go on a trip, I bring like literally 3 pairs of pants, probably 2, depending if I want to bring the shorts or not, with just a million different shirts. So I'm gonna go through all my shirts. This one, Old Navy. If you can't tell, I love Old Navy, and you're gonna see that in the next 30 seconds. It's like a nice rib knit. I love it. It's really comfortable. So there's that. This also from Old Navy. It's just a red striped t-shirt and it says love wins. That's cute. And a blue heart. This is just a black and white tank top, which you've seen me wear in a different video. It's really comfortable, really versatile. Sometimes I wear it to sleep. I know what you're saying, Sydney, why don't you just wear regular pajamas? Do I judge what you wear to sleep? No. And a workout tank, because you know what? I might want to work out. Who knows? Probably not. Probably not. I don't know. I'll bring it anyways. It says strong is beautiful. It's nice. It's cute. It's one of my favorite colors. Bringing a sweatshirt. One of my favorite sweatshirts. It's actually Calvin Klein sleepwear. And I know what you're saying. Sydney, do you actually wear a sweatshirt to sleep in? Yes, I do. Sometimes I get really cold. It's just a black sweatshirt. White tassels. The CK iconic sleep shorts. Always, 100%. Need sleep shorts. I think that does it for clothes. I'm definitely bringing, this is a new top, and I'm very excited about it, and I've never worn it. I got it at TJ Maxx, because lately, TJ Maxx has really, upped its game. But I found this Puma workout crop. Look at these sleeves. It's got sheer panels. I love it. It's got this nice rose gold Puma on the front of it. I love it. Who knows, maybe I'll not work out in it and just wear it home. We don't know what the day is going to bring. We have not planned anything out. I know I'm seeing my brother and my sister-in-law. Shoes. You need shoes to bring. You always gotta have shoes. And you can't just bring one pair of shoes. You have to bring your entire shoe inventory. And if you don't, you're doing it wrong. You're traveling wrong. These are also new. Never featured on my Instagram, but I will soon. Got these. They're cute. They're just a nice like little casual sandal. I got these at Avenue. I have like, it's hard for me to shop for shoes because I have a wide foot. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. So I got those. They were on sale for $15. I'm bringing my laptop to do some work, to do some, not editing. I don't edit my own videos. My friend does that for me because I don't know how to use anything. I know how to use this camera. I know how to use my photography camera. I know how to use Photoshop. That's it. I hardly know how to use social media. You gotta bring, you know, your makeup, your shampoos, your toothpaste, everything like that. Let me go get that and share it with you. I almost forgot. I have more new stuff to share with you guys. Okay, where do I want to start? First I want to get in the frame. That's important that you guys see me. Okay, first thing, on one of my Instagram posts in the last week, because I know I've been slacking on posting on Instagram, I posted a picture and it was me with my hair done, whatever, it was cute, and a lot of people, I've gotten a lot of like messages and comments about it saying that my hair looked really long, really happy, really shiny, really healthy. And I said, thank you. Everybody's been asking me what I use in my hair. I literally only use 2 things in my hair. I use the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo. This one specifically is like for hydration. I really love this brand because it's vegan. It's all about helping the planet, everything like that, loving animals, everything that I stand for. So I use the shampoo, the shea butter and sandalwood, and the conditioner in the same scent. And I love it. It smells great. It smells amazing. I bought the body wash in the same scent and it has honestly made my skin like 1,000 times better than what it was before. I definitely recommend the Love Body and Planet products. Next thing, this past weekend, Sephora was having a deal where you could walk in and get either the rose face mask or the pearl face mask free. I went to 2 different Sephoras and got both of them for free. I already used my rose one and I loved it, but I still have my pearl rose mask, which I'm probably gonna use tonight, honestly. And I'm really excited. I really love the rose face mask. It's just a sheet mask and it smells so good. My skin was so soft and smooth because I had to take photos the next day. So also this weekend, MAC was having free lipstick day, which always lands on National Lipstick Day every year. And I got there too late for like any of the regular colors, but I got there, I got my bullet lipstick. I'm really excited because it's purple, and anybody who knows me knows I love a good purple lipstick. So I'm really excited. I got, what, these lipsticks are like $28 probably. I don't know, that's probably inaccurate. But I got it for free, so I was really excited. That's what I've been up to. I start school in 2 weeks, I think. So I'm gonna start and try to film like a lot more. I haven't done like a sit down video with you guys, like any like challenge or anything lately. So I'm gonna try and do that. I'm definitely going to vlog my trip to Chicago. I'm really excited because I want to make it like a really artsy thing, and it's gonna, you know, it's gonna be fun. Sorry this vlog is probably all over the place, but that's okay. When is it not? When you're with me, nothing's ever organized. That's okay. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. And please follow my Instagram at dressedbysydney. And that's it. All right, bye.